This is our Clausing Model 8520 vertical milling machine. It's 220 volt single phase. It's got an Abwood vise. There are 4 collets. Just giving you a quick look. All original. You'll see a picture with the vise off. The table is very nice, no hits. Step pulley speed change. Vise again and table. Has the original tags, which are in nice shape, also on the motor. Not a lot to see, but we'll turn it on and show you. Door handle, well, spring working. This is our Clausing Model 8520 vertical milling machine. Thank you for watching.